The tools needed for this job are a 1/4 inch hex, a Torx 10 star bit, a Torx 20 star bit, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, small flathead screwdriver, and a mallet. Start by removing the vent covers. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry them away from the end caps. Using the 1/4 inch hex, remove all 4 bolts from the rear end cap. Remove both ends. Now, using the Torx 20 star bit, remove all 14 cover bolts. Lift off the top half of the cover. Using a needle nose pliers, remove the power terminals from the open side of the switch and move the power cord. Replace with a new power cord and reattach the power cord wires to the open end of the switch. It does not matter which wire is on the top or bottom terminal as long as both power cord wires are connected to the open side of the switch. Put the power cord back into position and assure that the flat side is facing upward. Now you can replace the top half of the motor cover. Using the Torx 20 star bit, replace the 14 cover screws. Reattach the front end cap to the motor body. Be sure to align the cover with the end cap so that the top and the bottom flanges fit properly into the end cap. Reattach the rear end cap and secure by using the 4 1/4 inch hex bolts. Finally, reattach the vent covers on both ends by pressing them firmly with your hands or gently tapping with a mallet. Thanks for watching.